Buckle up, road warriors, as we embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of American trucking lore to solve the mystery of why the iconic cabover trucks quietly faded from the highways. It's a story etched in the diverse landscapes of the United States, not just a tale of changing trends or mere aesthetics. Europe's winding roads and Asia's bustling streets found a perfect companion in the compact and agile cabovers, weaving effortlessly through the tapestry of urban life. Yet, in the land of boundless highways and horizons, a different kind of trucking evolution took place. Join us as we unravel the twists and turns of this fascinating saga, revealing the driving forces that caused America to put a stop to the once ubiquitous cabover trucks. Cabover trucks ruled the road from the 1940s to the 1970s, when American transportation was at its peak. These vehicles were the go-to choice, especially in congested urban areas, due to their compact design and unparalleled maneuverability. This trend was fueled by iconic manufacturers such as International, White Motor Corporation, Mack, and Kenworth. The cabover's genius lay in its ability to maximize cargo space, which was critical at a time when regulations limited the overall length of trucks, including trailers. Smaller trucks meant more cargo, which made a huge difference. However, a watershed moment occurred in 1982, when regulations were transformed, reshaping the American trucking landscape. While the new rules limit trailer length to 53 feet, they no longer include the cab, allowing manufacturers to design longer and more comfortable cabs for the most daring long-haul drivers. This shift signaled the gradual decline of the cabover era, paving the way for the larger, more iconic long-nose trucks that now dominate the highways. While the cabover's dominance has waned, these one-of-a-kind trucks continue to serve in a variety of roles across America, from delivery fleets to fire trucks, demonstrating their enduring legacy on the American road. The iconic long-nosed trucks were not only a fashion statement, but also a wise choice for drivers navigating the open roads of the United States. The decision to abandon the cabover design was made with the driver's experience in mind, not with disregard for innovation. A longer wheelbase in those slick, long-nosed rigs means more cabin space and a smoother ride, absorbing road bumps like a seasoned pro. Not only that, but engine noise and vibrations are shifted to the front, reducing cabin disturbance. Let's talk about convenience now. Long-nosed trucks have a lower entrance, which is a game-changer in terms of ergonomic comfort. In terms of maintenance, accessing the engine in the front is much easier than the acrobatics required with cabover models. Another important player is safety, the unsung highway hero. The long nose adds an extra layer of protection in the event of a collision in a country where speed limits are as dynamic as the landscapes. With the windshield acting as a formidable barrier, drivers can hit the gas pedal with confidence. So there you have it, the inside scoop on why America abandoned the allure of cabovers in favor of the allure of long-nosed giants. In the fast-paced world of trucking, the shift away from cabover trucks in America was a nuanced response to the unique demands of the vast American highways. While the iconic long-nosed trucks have an undeniable charm, the decision to abandon cabovers stemmed from a recognition of the diverse driving conditions across continents. Cabover trucks are the epitome of maneuverability in Europe and much of Asia, where roads are smaller and winding. Navigating through densely populated cities requires a deftness that these compact cabovers effortlessly provide. The advantage goes beyond agility. Visibility is paramount in congested urban environments. Cabover trucks, with their elevated cabs and reduced ebb pillars, provide a panoramic view that long-nosed trucks cannot match. Understanding why America shifted gears away from cabovers is not a dismissal of their merits, but a recognition that the country's sprawling highways demanded a different type of road warrior. In today's landscape, where rules and road conditions shape the fate of our trucking behemoths, the answer appears to lie in the vast distances that American drivers traverse on a daily basis. Long-nosed trucks' allure of extra comfort and space becomes a non-negotiable companion for those traversing expansive terrains. Safety and aerodynamics, both critical components in the ever-changing world of transportation, act as steadfast impediments to a wholesale return to cabovers. Even as the future promises electric marvels such as the e-Cascadia and Volvo VNR, the iconic long-nose truck lives on, embodying a legacy that resonates with the heartbeat of American trucking culture. The demand echoes the sentiments of drivers who have developed a long-term crush on their elongated road companions. As the highways stretch ahead, the cabover's return remains a tantalizing question mark, suspended in the winds of change, waiting for the road ahead to reveal the next chapter in this riveting story of trucks and trails.